Pine-sol can be part of a perimeter approach to discourage mice, but it should not be relied on as a primary rodent barrier. Pine-sol has a strong odor that can temporarily mask scent trails and make small rodents less likely to explore treated areas, so apply it carefully around foundations, under porches, and near crawlspace vents using diluted solution on absorbent rags or cotton balls placed just outside entry points. Use a ratio of 1 part Pine-sol to 3 parts water for general application and soak the rags thoroughly, then place them in shallow containers or tucked behind debris where they will not contact soil directly. Replace those rags after heavy rain or every 7 to 10 days because the scent dissipates and moisture will leach the active compounds away. Combine this scented barrier with physical exclusion such as sealing gaps larger than 1/4 inch with steel, wool, and caulk, or installing metal flashing where rodents can gnaw. Maintain a clear zone of at least 12 inches from the foundation, free of stacked wood, dense vegetation, and clutter that offers cover and harboring for mice. Finally, pair scent barriers with monitoring. Set non-poisonous snap or enclosed mechanical traps in likely runways and check them daily to measure effectiveness and adjust placements. Common mistakes are expecting Pine-sol alone to stop an infestation, which fails because rodents will bypass or adapt to transient scents. The fix is to use Pine-sol only as a temporary deterrent while sealing holes and using traps for population control. Another issue is placing soaked rags in locations where they get rained on or sit in puddles, which rapidly removes the scent and can create mold. Move rags under eaves or inside vent covers so they stay dry and refresh them regularly. A third concern is using only scent methods without addressing attractants such as pet food, bird seed, or compost. Remove or secure food sources and keep garbage in sealed containers to reduce motivation for rodents to approach treated perimeters. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and share practical DIY advice related to exterior pest prevention and other home projects. We also offer a discussion community where we and other members exchange real-world tips, ask questions, and post feedback so contractors and homeowners can find each other and learn from shared experiences.